Hey everyone, check this out in Sam's Club. $595. We have the buttercream one. Oh my gosh. I want a big one. Oh, can I open that?
Yeah, it'll still be
magnetic. Oh, open it from the top. Oh. The handle should be on the top. And then we have the freezer at the bottom. Really cool to find here.
They'll always be magnetic because that way kids can get out of them.
Only $17. We have 2 blackberry plants. They're baby cakes. And they also do have raspberry at the bottom. The hanging flower pot with the chain, they're going to be $11.98, and we might have seen these before. They also have like a lemon print, and there is another design. And you know, the tile deck, okay, only $27. Paint your own pail, 3 gifts in 1, and it does come with chocolate for $30, $29.98. Have paint and chocolate. Okay, that's kind of cool. Robin eggs are 10, and that'll be a 43 ounce. I haven't seen it in a large bag. Normally I buy the robin eggs in a little like milk carton. It's just, you know, fun. Takis Fuego party size is $5.18. They also have the blue one if you're feeling it. Same price, $5.18. So this one's going to be a little new for my Sam's Club. They never have the box, but you get 50 in here for $19. Same with the Funyuns. You know, these are everything. Now, if you're looking for the Takis, like by themselves, they're going to be $18.38, and you do get 46 in here. Again, I will say, if you're buying chips, come to Sam's Club for the bags. They're $4.48. They used to be in $3.78 around there. But in my local and even Walmart, these have gone up in price for a small bag. So definitely come here. Chili lime mix will be $4.98. Look at this. Oreo cakesters. They're $11.98. I've never seen this, but you know, they look scrumptious. I'm kind of like not eating sweets right now, so like, ugh. It gets difficult because, you know, your children are always snacking, you know, and then I'm like, nobody bring it in my house, okay? We had the Premier Protein cereal for $13.98, so 14. Chocolate almond cereal, 20 grams of protein, it says. 5 total grams of sugar, 14 grams total net carb. They do have a new scooter for children. They will be 40, so the wheels do light up, and they also have Mickey. And $450 right here. This one has the fat tires. So this one's new, 25, holds up to 15 pounds. A little mesh basket with the handles, again, like potatoes, bananas, fruit. Okay, the stainless steel here is $59.98, and that is a 13 a gallon. And on top, these are 20. And only 23, we have the solar LED area wall light with motion sensor. You will get 2. A commercial work table. Okay, normally I don't find this in Sam's, mainly like the business center. It's going to be $130. And they also do provide work tables in the business center. New toys in the doggy area. These tough ones are 2. Again, look at these babies. They will be 20. And $29.98. We have the bed for dogs. Ooh, I need one. Yeah, look at that. Look at that hairy man right there. So cute. And the Ninja is still around, you guys. It's still $170. The pet rug bed at $29.98. Okay, you know what? I'm really seeing a lot of shepherds around. Normally, I see pugs and corgis. Look at that. He's a baby. Look at his face. The food saver is here, $150, but keep in mind right now in Costco there is a sale. Oh my gosh, look at this one. $79.98. The Mickey Mouse popcorn. So if you are a Disney lover, you guys, this is like definitely for you. 4 serving cups. Okay, made in the USA for $25, 3.5. And for the 12 egg cooker, this one's gonna be 25. Hotel pillows, a 2-pack for a queen size, are 20, and these are pretty firm. This is actually up my alley right here. Steve Madden, $35, and you know they're calling them the bling sandal. Again, you guys, these would be much cheaper in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. And don't forget about Walmart. Walmart does have, like, what's it called, Steve Madden New York or something like that. Okay, and the New Balance, they're still around. They're $50, so hopefully you can find your size. This is the one I say that looks like Bluey. I don't have little children, but everyone at work talks about Bluey. I've never seen one episode in my life. I think maybe one with my daughter. But everyone's like, oh, it's such a good show. I'm like, okay. But the colors when they show me him looks like Bluey. Some more sandals. They're going to be $20. They're just called footbed sandals. And right next to me, the Bling sneaker by White Mountain. They're easy slide on. And these are $20. It also comes in black as well. Okay, and let's see. Unicorn, these are $13.98. And for men, they have Hurley for $20. So now you can find this in Sam's Club. I've only seen it in Costco. It's gonna be $14.98. Instant savings on Nashville hot shrimp. That is 2 pounds for $8.98. You get 16 for $8.38. And $5.98 down here. You get 18, and you know what? They are actually really good. They're good. In the dip department, they have spicy black bean jalapeno dip for $4.88. And today they had the chicken Alfredo lasagna for $14.98. Look at that, $5.98 Girl Scout cookies. Have you guys been buying Girl Scout cookies? You know there's a dupe in Walmart. We have Snickers for $5.48. This Girl Scout one's new. Crunch blends. Okay, $7.98. I do like a good spice in my pasta. Olay Sun SPF. Okay, 40. 46, 48, you guys. And of course, they will get 2. I want to say this one might be new because I know we've seen the toner. They have the toner. Today, this one is the eye gel cream for all skin types. Gonna be $29.98, so $30. And I even think the facial oil is new here by Drunk Elephant because they have like an exfoliating one. $53.98, so $54. And I hear a lot of great things about Drunk Elephant. That's pretty cool to find stuff like new skincare beauty products here. Again, with the First Aid Beauty, you will get 2 for $57. Everyman Jack, $16.48. You have sandalwood, sea salt, and cedarwood. And next to me, a 2-pack is $9.98. And don't forget the body butter cream and $20 for 2. Now this one is going to be the whipped cream. Okay, Rescue and Recover. Let's see, for hydrating cream for dry skin. This is up my alley, $48. I'm in the desert, you guys, and I'm outside all the time. You gotta put on big glasses. I don't wear a hat, but I should. I should wear a big sun hat. All right, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go. That was anything new right now in the Sam's Club. Thank you so much for joining me on these walkthroughs. I hope all of you have a great day or night. I really do. Like, I just bumped into somebody and they told me to have a blessed day, and nobody says that ever. Usually they say, oh, have a good day. I'm kind of like, have a good one, you know, I don't know. But when somebody told me have a blessed day, like I felt like they really meant it, and it kind of like perked me up a bit. All right, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.